So this is the new way they are using to hack TikTok account. Okay, so I'm going to show you live video, like Charlie, how the guy was able to manipulate me, do everything, Charlie. Let me show you how the guy did it, and then you can also learn from that, so that in case anybody chat you with that same complaint or same line, okay, you can also be so perfect on the way. And I'll show you how you can also protect the account. So let's go right into it right now without wasting much time. Let's start with it. And if you want to subscribe, because this is where we show you a lot of stuff. Let's start with it. Let's go. So this is how they do it. You see, this is the message that the person sent to me, and I'm not showing it in the video form, but I'm using pictures rather, okay, because I don't want to expose the person right now. But in case TikTok chats me and then TikTok request for the person's contact, I'll do my possible best to give the contact to them so that they can deal with the person. So this is the first chat. This is how they start with the chat. Congratulations, we are happy. We are here to pay your TikTok account and do more videos for us, and let us pay you more. And where is your bank account or mobile money account? We will pay you $50 a week. Let us know your account if you are ready. You see, they are using a strategy, a way that will ginger you to apply for what they are coming to do. Okay, so you see, TikTok is not paying people, so they're using that strategy so that they can get people to hack them and get their account. So right now the person want to get your trust, so they will try to post more talking about what they do, that they are working at TikTok company, and your TikTok account is now ready to get $50 every month. So this is how they just do it, for you to trust them. So after you'll be like, oh, it's okay, it's true, the person is from TikTok, they will ask or request for your mobile money. Okay, most of the times the number that you use to create the account, they will ask for that, and also the name. Okay, then they will tell you every month you will get $50 in your mobile money account. Then they will tell that I will send you a code. Okay, so they will process everything on their phone. They will try to log in, as you can see. So with the simple process on your iPhone or your smartphone, where you go there to log in, that's the simple process they are going through on their phone. So they will tap on send code, and then you get a code on your phone. So when you get the code on your phone, they will request for this verification code, okay, so that they can just log into your account. So when they log into your account, they will change things up very quickly. So the moment you give the code to them, you are doomed. That's all. They are done with it. Their mission is complete. Your account has been claimed. So make sure, guys, you be very, very much aware. And I'm not the only person that they are doing this to. A lot of TikTok accounts, that's what they are doing to other TikTok accounts, you see. So when I tried to be like, I don't trust them, I don't believe them, what they are doing is scam, like, it was telling me I'm not the only one. Yes, so be careful, guys, and like the video, and don't forget to also share. So after that, it was just like insults. Okay, so let me show you how you can just protect your account, okay, so that you can just be safe with that one too, so that no one can get into your account, and then also you'll be safe. Let's go into that one, how you can just protect your TikTok account. At this point, if you want to subscribe to this channel for more videos from here. Let's start with that video. Let's go. Okay, so just count your profile. Okay, when you count your profile, you see on the top right corner, okay, we have the three lines at the top right corner. Just tap on the three lines, and when you come here, you will see settings and privacy right here. Settings and privacy, tap on that one, and when you tap on it, you are to just select this one, security and login. Okay, tap on security and login, and here we have a lot of things here. We're going to change like 3 or 4 of them. So the first one, just tap on security alert, then it will just load and then give you some simple update. Okay, so no unusual account activity detected in the last 7 days. So just tap on done and then come back. That one just to check for any security alerts, so in case there was anyone try to get to your account, that one can help. And we have the two-step verification here. Okay, so just tap on that one, and let me just turn my own off for your sake, guys, because of it. Let me just turn it off and let me just turn it on again. So this is how you see your select at least two verification methods. So one will be a verification code will be sent to you via SMS when you log in. Okay, so that's one. And then the second one, to a verification code will be sent to your email. So that one to just turn that one to on, and then enter a password when you log in. If you forget this password on an untrusted device, you can only recover it if you have both a phone number and email linked to your account. So with this one, I don't recommend you guys turn it on, but the first one and then the second one is okay. Then just tap on turn on. Okay, so now you can see two-step verification has been turned on, and then come to this place, authorized login. Okay, authorized login, tap on that one. Okay, so you, in case you see any other logins here, just remove them. Okay, and let's come to this side too. You can see we have save login method. If you are someone that your friends used to take your phones for pictures, taking videos, doing a lot of stuff, just turn this one off. Okay, save login method, so you should just turn it off so that your login code will not be saved. So anytime you need to just enter your code by yourself. So another one too, you can just turn this one too off. Okay, if you are someone that your people, like your friends, used to take your phone, you use your phone with your friends. Okay, that's what I would say. If you use your phone with your friends, you have to just turn these two off. But if it is your own phone, nobody touches it, just like mine. Yes, nobody touches my phone, it is mine. Just turn these two on so that the logging in will be just easy. Okay, so this is how you can just protect your account, especially the two-step verification. So if nothing at all, the two-step verification is very, very good. So turn that on, and I'll surely see you guys again. Don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to also follow us on TikTok, because we are also doing a lot of stuff right here. We are doing a lot. We are making sure we help you guys to on the shorter side of our long videos here on YouTube. So guys, see you again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video to a friend.